Hi, I'm the inventor of the Bio3Blaster Ozone machine, and today I'm here to tell you why I build a machine that is capable of being serviced by the average contractor or technician. What I always hated when I was buying other companies' machines, folks, is the fact that if something ever went wrong with them, you had to put your machine back in the box and ship it all the way back, usually halfway across the country, to the place that sold it to you to be repaired. And the repairs were never timely and never cheap. So into the 2011 model, I've made it so simple that an average 10-year-old can go ahead and perform all of the maintenance. If you're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood inside this machine, it's very simple. What we're going to be using today is either a Phillips screwdriver, or I prefer power, so I'll be using a powered screwdriver, a bag of cotton balls, a bottle of isopropyl alcohol, and 4 new filters. So, to change the filters is fairly simple. You just reach in and you pull out the old filters and you insert the new filter into the machine. Make sure you tuck it in under that lip so that it doesn't suck back into the machine when you turn it out, because these do draw a lot of air. And it's just that simple. You repeat that process 4 more times and the filters are all changed. Now, like all of our machines, we built this with our patent-pending ozone tunnel technology. So I'm going to start removing these screws and we'll cut back in a few seconds to see what it looks like. So I'm going to finish removing the last screw, and now I'll show you what we have under the hood inside the ozone tunnel. So inside the ozone tunnel, we have not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5, 6, 7, 8 3.5 gram generator panels. But folks, these are so easy to remove, a 10-year-old can do it. You simply pry it out gently. It unplugs just like a lamp. You take your cotton ball, your isopropyl alcohol, wet it slightly, and then it's just this simple. You run the cotton ball over the ceramic, cleaning off any accumulated carbon. This needs to be done about once every 3 months with regular use. And you're going to go ahead, repeat that step 8 times, plug each one back in, then you simply reinsert it back into the tunnel, replace the 4 screws, we recommend you alternate corners when you're doing that, similar to changing a tire, and it's just that simple. You've now performed all the maintenance possible on this machine with the simple exception of changing the fuse, and that is done very simply with this Phillips head screwdriver. If your fuse ever burns out, you just remove the fuse section, replace the fuse. It can be bought at any Radio Shack. This is the standard 10 amp quick blow fuse. And you pull it out, replace it with a new one, put it back in to this fuse holder, and you're back in business. That's it. That's the entire maintenance needed for the Bio3Blaster for the course of its life. The most complicated thing besides this you may ever have to do is occasionally your digital timer that you plug the machine into will go bad. So it's just as simple as running down to Home Depot, picking up a new one, and plugging it into the new one. That's it. That's the maintenance. That's all that's ever needed on the 28,000 Bio3Blaster. I'm the inventor, and I planned it that way.